our previous class, we have learned how to arrange fractions from smallest to the largest using one of the three methods I mentioned earlier, which is making the fractions equivalent and compare the numerators so that you can identify which one is the smallest or the largest. So in today's video, we are going to learn arranging of fractions from smallest to the largest using the second method, which is converting the fractions to decimal. We have to convert the fractions to decimals. So how can we do that? First of all, we have to take the individual fractions this way. The first fraction here is 3 over 8. So this one is equals to, we have to apply our normal divisions of fractions like this, 3 divided by 8. So now you check and see if 8 can go into 3, which is not. Then we introduce 0 point here, then we add 0 to 3 here, so that we can now divide 30 by 8. So 8 into 30, it goes 3 times. So the remainder will be obtained by multiplying 3 by 8 to have 24. Then we subtract it from 30. So here 0 minus 4, it cannot be, borrow 1 here and make it 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. So the remainder is 6. So we now check and see if 8 can go into 6. Therefore 8 cannot go into 6, so we introduce another 0 here. But in this case, we don't have to put another 0 point here because it's already introduced in the beginning. Therefore we have to just write 0 here to 6, so make it 60 so that we can continue with our division. So now we can now check if 8 can go into 60. Yes, of course, it can go about 7 times. So we write 7 here. So we now check and see to find the remainder by multiplying 7 by 8. We subtract it from 60 and see the remainder. So what is 7 by 8? 7 by 8 I think is 56. So 56 we have to subtract it from 60. Therefore here 10 minus 6 is 4. Then here 5 minus 5 is 0. So we can stop here since we have about 2 decimal places. So therefore this is 2 over 3 is 0.37. So now we now take the next fraction, which is 4 over 5 here. So 4 over 5 is going to be the same thing like this, 4 divided by 5. So now, can 5 go into 4? No. Or it can go 0 times, then we put point. And we have to introduce 0 here to 4, so make it 40. So how many times 5 into 40? 5 into 40, it goes about 8 times. So 8 times 5 is 40. Then we subtract for the remainder. Therefore here we have 40 minus 40 is 0. Therefore the remainder is 0. So this shows that 5 into 40 goes 8 exactly. So therefore our answer is 0.8. So we stop here. Now we take the last fraction, which is 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is going to be converted like this. 2 divided by 3 also. Now we check if 3 can go into 2. No, we have to introduce 0 point here. So here we have to put 0 also to 2 to make it 20. So now we now divide 20 by 3. So how many times 3 into 20? 3 into 20 exactly, it goes about 6 times. So 6 times 3 is 18. So we subtract and see the remainder. So now what is 20 minus 18? I think is 2. Because 10 minus 8 here is 2, and this is 1 minus 1 is 0. Now, check also if 3 can go into 2, which is not. Therefore, we have to introduce 0 here. Then 3 into 20, again 6 times. Then 6 times 3, again is 18. Then we have to subtract 18 from 20. So the remainder is 2. So I think we can stop here also. Now, this 2 over 3 is now the same as 0.66. So now, by looking at these decimal numbers here, so we can be able to know which one is the largest. 0.37, 0.8 or 0.66. Therefore, I think the largest one is 0.8, followed by 0.6, followed by 0.37. and the smallest one is the reverse of the case. So therefore here, based on this decimal number, the smallest fraction is 3 over 8 here. The smallest fraction is 3 over 8, followed by then 0.66 is the second largest, which is 3 over 2 is the second smallest fraction. So we have 2 over 3 here, then followed by the largest one, which is 4 over 5, because of the size of the decimal number. Now we have 4 over 5 here also. So these fractions are now arranged from smallest to the largest. So thank you very much for watching. Please, for more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel Ejima Solutions for more of this. And inshallah, I'm going to teach you how to compare fractions using the last method, which is using fraction bars. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.